What maintenance is required for a Shycocan device? You'll be pleasantly surprised to know that the Shycocan needs little or no maintenance. It only needs cleaning the front plate to maintain air circulation. This can be done by you and doesn't require a technician. It has no filters, consumables that need replenishing, or any other components that require to be changed periodically. So, it's practically a low to no maintenance device. It consumes just as much electricity as a small 40-watt light bulb. Besides, it has a shelf life of over 5 years. So, once you plug and play, you can fit it and forget your worries about the coronavirus in that space indoors. Shycocan. Let's bring life back to normal and normal back to business. Visit shycocancorp.com today.